Hello friends, welcome back to Study of Science with Rahul Kisharwani. Today I will discuss about the base. Basically base क्या होता है आज हम सब इस बात को जानेंगे और इन बेस के बारे में जानने के लिए इस वीडियो के अंत तक जरूर बने रहिए. Basically what is the base, right? So base are those substances which is bitter in taste. Means those substances which eat and they have taste bitter. So that type of substances is commonly called base. And how we can identify the substance is base? Basically we can identify the base as base can identify with the help of litmus paper. Actually litmus paper, red litmus paper convert into blue litmus paper. The blue color means when we dip the red litmus paper in a base solution, then it converts into red, then it converts into blue in color. This indicates that solution is a base, right? So these are the information regarding with the base. Now properties of base. Number one, base are bitter in taste. Now the second property, base turns red litmus paper into blue color, right? Now the third property is bases are soapy in touch. Means when we touch the base, then we feel that substance is just like a soap. Means soap also contain base, right? Now the fourth property is base have corrosive in nature. Means when bases react with some cloths or paper, then it can burn that cloth or paper. So that's why they are corrosive in nature, right? Now the chemical properties of base. When base is dissolved in water, then it produces hydroxide ion, like this. When sodium hydroxide is in water, then it produces sodium ion plus hydroxide ion. Similarly, any base which is in water always produce the hydroxide ion, which indicates all bases have hydroxide ion. So this indicates that all base have hydroxide ion, right? So these are the first chemical properties of the base. Now the second chemical properties is reaction with acid. What happens when bases react with acid? Second, reaction with acid. Now when base is react with acid, then it produces salt and water, and this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Then this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Like an example, when sodium hydroxide, this is the base because these are hydroxide, react with HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. This is sodium hydroxide, react with hydrochloric acid, then it produces Na and Cl, that is NaCl plus OH and H मिलकर के gives out H2O. This is the sodium chloride and this is a water. So this is a salt. So when acid is react with base, then always it produces salt and water, right? So this is the chemical properties of base, and this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Means when acid is react with base, then it produces salt and water. Then this reaction is called neutralization reaction. So what is neutralization reaction? What is neutralization reaction? When base is react with acid, then it produces salt and water, called as neutralization reaction, right? As you know, in case of NaOH plus HCl gives out NaCl plus H2O. This is a neutralization reaction, and this is an example, right? Now, how can base is formed? How base is formed? कैसे base का formation? How base are formed? Question. Now, what will be the answer? When a metal is react with oxygen, then it produces metal oxide. Then it produces metal oxide. This metal oxide react with water to produce base. Example, when magnesium is burned with oxygen, this is a magnesium metal burned with oxygen or in air, then it produces magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. When this magnesium oxide is reacted with water, then it produces magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. So this is a base, magnesium hydroxide. This is a base because they contain the hydroxide ion. So by this process we can form base, right? Now what is alkali? What is alkali? Actually, some bases can dissolve in water, but not all bases. Some bases can dissolve in water, and that type of base is called alkali. Means those bases which can dissolve in water called as alkali. Those bases which can dissolve in water called as base. So by this definition we can also write all alkali are base, but all base are not alkali. Why? बिकॉज हम सब जानते हैं जितनी भी एल्कली सब बेस मीन जो बेस वाटर में डिसॉल्व हो जाए एंड दैट बेस इज कॉल्ड एल्कली, बट ऑल बेस कैन नॉट बी डिसॉल्व इन वाटर. सो हाउ वी कैन टोल्ड दैट दिस इज अ एल्कली, राइट? सो ऑल एल्कली आर बेस बट ऑल बेस आर नॉट एल्कली, मीन सारे के सारे बेस वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं हो सकती, राइट? एग्जांपल sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, etc. So these are called alkali. Alkali, right? Now what is the use of base in our daily life? What is the use of base in our daily life? Use of base. First, that is magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. This is also called milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. It is used to form and acid. And what is and acid? Actually, in some cases we can feel acidity in our stomach. So that acidity can be removed by taking the base from outside, and that type of base is called antacid. And we use the magnesium hydroxide as an antacid, which can neutralize acidity in our stomach. This antacid neutralize acidity in our stomach, right? Now the second base, that is calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH the whole twice. Now what is magnesium hydroxide? That is MgOH whole twice. This calcium hydroxide is used in whitewashing. Now the third, that is sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide, used in soap. used in soap, and they are commonly called caustic. Right? Now, some base like as ammonia is used in fertilizers and urea. So these are the use of base regarding with your syllabus. So thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, and also comment in the comment section box, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.